So you've been using Vapi or pricing it out, and the reality is setting in. It's incredibly powerful, but it's also a software project. People go looking for Vapi alternatives for three reasons: the engineering overhead of wiring up everything yourself, the general complexity of keeping the thing together, and a per-minute billing that's impossible to forecast. So here are the 5 best alternatives and who each one is for. Let's go. Top of the list, and the most people quietly want when they go looking, is CloudTalk. The whole pitch is simple. Vapi hands you the raw infrastructure to build voice AI. CloudTalk is the voice AI already built. The agent lives inside a full phone system with native CRM sync to HubSpot, Salesforce, and Pipedrive. Real telephony in 160 plus countries, call analytics and recordings out of the box, and answering in 60 plus languages in under 800 milliseconds. No models to wire, with no telephony to source, and no engineer on standby. And the most important, a predictable bill starting at $19 a user. It's basically everything Vapi can do, minus the part where you actually have to build it. If you want to stay in the builder territory, but Vapi is just a bit too much, Retell is the gentler version. You still get the full API, but there's a proper drag and drop builder on top. Low latency, post-call analytics that track sentiment and outcomes, HubSpot and Slack syncing, and SOC 2 and HIPAA compliance out of the box. It's per minute billing like Vapi, and it's still infrastructure you assemble yourself, just with a lot more of the sharp edges sanded off. If you want to lose code entirely, take a look at Synthflow. It's a drag and drop builder with ready-made templates, 50 plus integrations, appointment booking, voicemail detection, and multilingual calls. Plus wild labeling so agencies can resell it under their own brand. And you're live in about an hour. You still have to bring your own phone system to the game, and it's lighter on the depth. But for getting an agent up with minimal touching of a terminal, it is the easy button. If your whole world is outbound, take a look at Bland. It runs its own models on its own infrastructure, so it doesn't buckle across thousands of calls. The voice cloning is scary good, and its conversational pathways keep the agent on script across 40 plus languages with clean handoffs to a human. Pricing is a bit tough to swallow. $299 to $499 monthly plans stacked on per-minute rates, so it's built for serious volume and not for dabbling. And if the voice itself is the entire point, take a look at ElevenLabs. Nobody touches them on how human the audio sounds. Their expressive mode actually lets the agent laugh, whisper, sigh, and pause like a real person at roughly 8 to 12 cents a minute. The catch is the exact thing that sent you here. You connect your own language model, and that's built separately on top. So you're still doing some assembly yourself, and the build still stacks. Vapi is genuinely powerful if your idea of a fun quarter is a Slack channel called Voice Agent Incidents and a per-minute billing nobody can forecast. Or you can skip every bit of that and open CloudTalk, where the voice AI, phone system, and CRM already work on a day one with exactly 0 engineers on call. It's up to you. Free trials in the description down below with no credit card requirements. Go put it to work. If this video helped you save hours of research, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.